Okay, Elite Audio sent me this 2-channel cable. It's 6 feet long, and the main thing these cables are used for is for like hooking up car amplifiers, I think, or car audio systems, and that's what these and I think a lot of Elite Audio products are intended for. So let's get this open up. Looking into it, you could use these cables. I'm saying could, but just wait. You could try and use these cables maybe for like home audio setups, possibly if you have a receiver or a player that has the ability to use these kinds of cables, or if you have like a home movie setup, maybe even mixing or DJ stuff, maybe, possibly. But again, these cables are specifically labeled as being for, at least on the listing page, for your car and those settings. So only other things in the box is the backdrop and the clip. So it doesn't look like there's much else. This material does feel pretty good. I think it is plenum rated, which should mean it's fire resistant. I'm A+ certified, so I should know what that means. But if what I remember is correct, again, plenum rated, and so a pretty well shielded and protected cable. You have your 2 channels. Does it say which is right and left? It does not. Maybe it doesn't matter, but actually, yeah, I don't think it would matter. But it has the different colors for the different ends, so pretty easy to use for that regard. I don't know what. No, wait. Oh yeah, so these 2 ends is where the cable, like the main body of the cable ends and then breaks off into the 2 ends. So yeah, 2 ends right there. So that's mostly it for these. Hope that helps you understand or see these a bit better.